Huh? You guys didn't believe in extraterrestrials before. Well, they're there above us. So those are my people. I see what he sees, and he's right. Those are extraterrestrials. Those are just machines, not the center. Yeah, so my name is... My name's Shimon. Well, I'm your fifth contact, really. So, what happens is, you have the investigator office. You have the second one, who's the one who kind of does the conspiracies, it seems. The third one is the one we do with music and stuff like that. So the first two is kind of like just seeing what your things are. The third one, we do music. The fourth one is when God goes, God in Sumerian, right? That's God. Lovely creature, lovely creature. Then you have me, the actual extraterrestrial. You know, God was native to the planet. Or at least your Jesus Christ is. Another whole different story from it. This is my people. I come from that hypothetical planet you call Planet X. Or maybe I don't. Who knows? Yeah, that's my people. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kasot Bato Sopwata Kasata Toto. Welcome. This is Planet Earth, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna post this on Facebook. Let's see how they sponsor that.